Alright, so what do we got today? Got this 88 Bronco, running driving truck, pretty well loaded from the factory. It's a nice Arizona truck. Spent a little bit of time in Colorado, but not much. You're looking at what I believe is the original paint. And you know, it runs good. It just doesn't run the way I think it should. It might have some dirty injectors or something, because it feels like it's kind of got a miss and a little bit low on power. So the previous owner tried to remedy that with new plug wires and plugs, but that didn't fix it. So very possible it's like injectors might be dirty, because I know it sat for about 6 months dormant. But anyway, that being said, I'll let you hear how it sounds here in a second. And let's go underneath it. I got a lot of pictures of this thing in the auction. It's a very dry Arizona truck. That exhaust system is ghetto, to say the least. Whoever did that muffler and his exhaust should have their head examined, because it's garbage. So you're probably definitely going to want to redo the exhaust. It does have a new cat. I know that's been recently done. But you know, I'll let you hear how it sounds. Obviously some of the badges are missing and some of the moldings and stuff. Let's see here. Open the baby up. I got lots of pictures of the interior in the auction. I mean, it's worn. It's not horrible, but it's seen, you know, some better days, you might say. Fire it up here. When it's cold, it takes a little longer to start, maybe 2 or 3 tries. Right now it's a little warm. And it does have this rear anti-lock light on. I don't see any other lights on the dash. I didn't see any check engine lights on an 88. I'm pretty sure they had them somewhat. But what you're not going to find on this truck is a lot of rust. Power windows work. Power door lock works on lock but not unlock. Don't lock yourself out of it by accident. Pop it. We did put it in four-wheel drive, and the four-wheel drive works. It climbs hills pretty well. Got some really cool old school lighting. No idea if it works. Hang on. Sorry. Yeah, it's still a little cold. Yeah, idle just went down because it only started at once earlier a few minutes ago. When you're driving, you can feel the mist more obvious. It's it just feels like the injector might be plugged or something. Anyway, doesn't smoke, doesn't knock. I'm not sure if the AC works, but the AC's all there. I drove it home on a trip about 10 miles across town. Well, here's your... Anyway, so I drove it across town on a trip the other night, and all the lights work, and you know, no issues. It's kind of a nice test driving a vehicle 10 miles at night, right? One that you've never driven before. So then it's a solid rust-free Arizona truck if that's what you're looking for. And who isn't these days, right? Especially on an old early Bronco. I can't tell you if the top's ever been off, I don't know. Some people ask that. It is the XLT version. Air condition, of course. I should probably try the AC and see if it comes on. Maybe I will on this drive. But one last walk around it. And then Let's just drive it back to the shop. Yeah, hear that? See? Yeah. I'm not sure why it does that. Anyway. Oh, the back window I could not get to go down with the key. So, you got that going for you. It's got a nice radio, actually. Little CD player works pretty nice. Not using it right now, but let's see. Max. Woo! A little dusty. That was hilarious. See if it gets cold. Meanwhile, sorry, it's kind of glary. Still got the AC on. Let's see if it gets warm, cold. I mean. Cool little truck. If I had the room for it, I'd keep it. These are getting harder to find all the time. There's a famous tree that's going to fall over on somebody one day. Is that thing? Yeah. Let's see. There's the Matco truck. So anywho, that's a Bronco. And that's our drive around. Oh, turn this off. AC is actually a little cool. It's not cold, but it's actually a little cool. And today's probably in the 90s. So, you might just, I don't know if it's ever been converted. Door handle's not broken like on a lot of these. One last trip around our Bronco. Chrome's actually pretty nice. Factory chrome bumpers. This is just surface rust there, folks. A couple chips. Again, I'm pretty sure it's all original paint. Maybe not, you never know. But I didn't see any signs of overspray, which is a good sign. There's definitely no rot in the quarters. You got a dent right there, maybe a small one. Yeah, there's a little dent over. That's actually the only body work I can see on it. That little thing. But hey, if you're looking for like this generation Bronco, I think it's called the U100 commonly. You might want to jump on this one. Tires are pretty decent. Some BFG TAs. And gotta love those chrome mods. Those are very 80s. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And check out all the pictures in the auction when it's up. And you'll get a better idea of what this thing's about. Stay tuned for the next one. What could it be?